WBQB, Fredericksburg.
A Centennial Broadcasting station.
This is all of today's best music. B101.5.
Civil danger warning for the city of Manassas and immediate surrounding areas. This message is being transmitted at the request of City of Manassas Emergency Management and Prince William County Department of Fire and Rescue. The situation is ongoing near the city of Manassas, which bears striking similarity to past incidents in Georgia, Florida, and Ohio, as well as an extreme case in Alberta, Canada. Violent fires, which are reported to have black and violet colors, are destroying everything in their path and, based on reports by fire officials as well as civilians, pose great risk to surround the city in a matter of hours at current speed. The responsible individual has been confirmed by multiple agencies to be the person identified as Blaze, a hostile 6-foot-tall Caucasian skin-toned individual with blue eyes, auburn-tipped black hair, who as of alert transmission was seen wearing a violet shirt with black flames and white lightning bolts inside the flame designs, black shorts, purple flame-themed hiking boots. Further information on this hostile suspect is being kept classified by an agency who wishes to keep their own identity classified as of alert transmission. Regardless, if you see this individual or are threatened by fire, leave the area immediately. All other people should shelter in place until told otherwise by proper authorities or a future alert transmission. Please keep tuned to local media outlets for the latest on this situation.
Evacuation situation declared by state and local authorities. This is not a test. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Virginia Department of Emergency Management. The situation described in past alerts has now escalated into a life or death matter. Fires are now seen nearly completely surrounding the entirety of the city of Manassas, including Manassas Park. Escalating matters further into life-threatening territory. Anonymous sources positioned in Centerville as well as elsewhere in western Fairfax County have confirmed sightings of violet fireballs being shot in a curved surface-to-air-to-surface attack methodology, with damage so far being reported in southern areas of the aforementioned city, particularly south of New Braddock Road. Given these details, officials are deeming this situation one where evacuation is the only option to protect the lives of affected residents. Please leave with your evacuation kits now. There is no time to delay. If you are hearing a siren or receiving this alert, you are in immediate life or death danger and need to leave the area now to preserve all your diminishing chance of survival. Due to fires in the area, the only way to evacuate is north or south on Noakesville Road. All other exit routes from affected areas are either completely devastated by fire or will be by the time most residents arrive. To repeat, a life or death situation has culminated from attacks by a hostile person. Leave the area now. Failing to do so will result in your death.
All creatures who are human and listen to that alert do not follow the advice. I repeat, do not follow what that alert says. By the time you reach your city limits, all exits will have been sealed off by fire due to the speed of it accelerating. I, Queen Chrysalis, and Commander of the Changeling Empire Department of Elemental Criminal Activity, hereby declare all residents to shelter in place and await my soldiers to knock at your doors. My soldiers will escort you by airlift to a secure location and shelter spot arranged with aid by Earth authorities. Failure to follow this order will result in your death, either by Blaze himself or during combat between myself and him. This station will now be used as a critical method to get updates on this matter from me personally. Regular programming will resume once Blaze has left the area or he has been apprehended.